Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated blogger here. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've made these commissions of $279.40 from just one video. The reason why I've decided to make this video is to record a case study, to make it real, to show you that this can actually be done and anyone can do this as long as you follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. There is nothing complicated involved at all, zero. So let's do this. So this is a case study, once again, $279 from just one video. So let me first of all, give you sort of a full demo and breakdown of exactly how I have done this. So the video that we're going to be looking at is this video here, how to get traffic to your website fast 2018. You can find this video on my channel. And as you can see, it has had almost 40,000 views in about 2.5 months. So I recorded this video and uploaded it on the 26th of September. It's currently getting approximately 29 views per hour. Okay, and this video is about getting traffic to the website, but this can work in any niche. These techniques that I'm going to show you here, they can be applied in any niche and they work just the same in pretty much any niche that you can possibly think of. Okay, now the video is about getting traffic to your website, and in this video one of the tools that I'm talking about is Tailwind. It's a tool that I use myself. It's a great tool to get traffic from Pinterest to your website. So I talk a little bit about that in the video, and then I've got an affiliate link here in the description of the video, and then if anyone clicks on this affiliate link and they sign up to Tailwind through my affiliate link, then I get paid a commission. So now let me show you some of the stats here for the commission. Okay, so first of all, let's look at October, because this is when I implemented it, sometime through middle of October roughly, when I implemented the affiliate links on. I was waiting to get approved basically by Tailwind. So I had 537 unique hits and $72 in commissions in October. Okay, 72.73. Then let's switch this over to November. So from the 1st of November till the last day of November, I'm going to filter the results. And it is 171.69, 171.69, okay, plus 171.69 plus. And I'm going to go here to December, from the 1st of December till the 7th, so till today's date. I'm going to filter the results, and you can see that I made $34.98, so $34.98. Okay, so there we have it, $279.40 in just 2 months earned with one video. Now don't forget that I do this with a lot of videos. I also do it on my website, etc, etc. So this is just a case study of this one video, of the power of having one video out there that is consistent. It's like a money machine that once you put it out there, it can consistently generate traffic and generate sales for you guys. Okay, so here is the video. You know, you can watch this video if you want at a later point in time to sort of get an idea about it. Here are the earnings. Now let's talk about how you can do something similar. Okay, so like I said, you guys can implement this in any niche. It does not have to be in the online marketing niche. It can be in the weight loss niche. It can be in parenting niche. There are affiliate offers in all different sorts of niches out there. So you can implement the same concepts that I'm going to explain to you here in any niche that you can possibly think of. So first of all, let's talk about YouTube ranking basics. So YouTube is a really, really amazing traffic platform. It can generate sales and generate views for you in literally any niche that you can possibly think about. The way that I get traffic to this video here is if you search for how to get traffic to your website, that video that I came up with is actually ranking as #1, and it's ranking as a matter of fact, it's ranking as #1 for a number of different terms. You can see here are all the different tags, and it's ranking for a lot of these tags. It's ranking #1 for website traffic, for increased website traffic, and so on as #1. Now, how do you actually make a video that has the potential of ranking on the front page of YouTube search? So there are a few things involved. No one kind of really knows exactly how you can do this, but there are a few things that definitely help. And what really helps is having high retention. So if you go into the analytics reports on YouTube for a YouTube video, you will be able to see that inside you can find the retention percentage. I'm going to show that to you in just a second. All right, so here we are inside my analytics dashboard, and you can see that the video that I just showed you, how to get traffic to your website, well, it's had the biggest amount of watch time, but basically it's got an average view duration of 4.5 minutes roughly, and average percentage viewed is 33%. So that's actually quite good. You will be able to see that I have a lot of videos that have lower percentage viewed, 18, 19, and so on. But the other metric that's important to keep in mind, of course, is the average view duration. So for a 1 hour long video, your average percentage viewed might be lower, but your average view duration might be higher. So YouTube seems to like long average watch time. Of course, there are other factors involved and so on, but in general, what I find is that if a video has a high average percentage viewed, like this one, for example, how to get traffic from Pinterest, I've got 40% retention. You know, that's another one that another search term that I actually rank really well for. And this one 33. So anything that's got kind of like in the low 20s or below that seems to perform worse. I believe that I'm still ranking as #1 for how to get traffic from Pinterest. Let's just quickly double check that, show you as well. Yeah, so I actually rank as #1 as well, and I think a lot of it is because of high average percentage viewed at 40%, as you guys just saw. Okay, so that's one thing. So I find that 30% or higher for approximately a 10-15 minute video is a really good mark to aim for. That is of course driven by good content that people will continue watching. Okay, you don't want to be boring on camera or anything like that. The other thing that really helps is good click-through rate of the thumbnail. So you can, once again, you can get that from Google Analytics. I find that a couple of my thumbnails that are not so good, I suppose, they're 2 to 3%, they seem to affect the rankings in a negative way, even if my retention is reasonably good. So you want to try and hit both of those. And how do you actually get a good click-through rate of the thumbnail? Well, it's driven by experimentation. You know, you can try to model your thumbnails after the thumbnails of other successful videos or other successful channels. That seems to be the best way. And lastly, you want to get a good optimization for your tags and keywords, which I'm going to talk you through in just a moment. So how can you actually replicate the whole process? All right, if you're in a fitness niche, or if you're in a travel niche, or if you're in an online marketing niche, then how can you actually replicate it? And how can you start doing the same thing? How can you start putting out videos that get the views, and then start promoting various things, perhaps affiliate products in the description? So your first step is to find keywords with low competition. All right, if you're a new channel, this really helps, because you want to start ranking for some low difficulty keywords, just to at least start getting some views, start getting some subscribers, because it will help you to get to that first 100, then to that first 500, and first 1,000 subscribers. So how do I actually find keywords with low competition? Well, I use an extension called vidIQ. It's actually really good, and I'm going to show you how a vidIQ works. So the way vidIQ works is, you can see in the right hand side any keyword that you type in. So you remember we just typed in how to get traffic from Pinterest. It will bring up this panel here with the search term. And by the way, vidIQ is, if you just want to download vidIQ, it's a vidIQ toolbar. You can download it definitely for Chrome. I believe there are, maybe it's just for Chrome, I'm not entirely sure. You might have to use the Chrome browser for it. Now, once you've enabled it, it will open up this little panel here, and it will tell you the keyword score. So what is the search score? Are there a lot of people searching for it or not? Okay, and it will also tell you competition score. There is another bunch of other very useful statistics here that it will tell you, but the main things that I recommend to look for is search volume and competition score. So you want to go for keywords with low competition score. So to bring it back to my video, the reason, the way that I determined that I can rank for how to get traffic to your website is because I looked at vidIQ. Okay. And the way to generate those keywords and those ideas, one of the ways is to use YouTube prediction. So for example, if your topic is for how to lose weight, all right, let's just step away here from online marketing niche for a second. It will bring up suggestions. So lose weight overnight, lose weight hypnosis, lose weight while you sleep. You can make a video for each of those. But you can actually implement some nice tricks, such as you go here to the front, you type in an underscore and then space. And that's going to bring up various things before your search phrase. So for example, how to lose weight fast, diet plan to lose weight fast. I mean, would you have thought of a keyword, diet plan to lose weight fast, unless you came up with it using this technique? These can be very, very powerful, because as much as various keyword research tools are good, this is the most precise way to research keywords is via this prediction toolbar. I've been using it with great success myself. You can see that it brings up brilliant keywords that no one would have even thought about, like what I eat in a day to lose weight, how to lose weight without exercise, what to eat to lose weight. So let's just have a look here, what I eat in a day to lose weight. All right, if you look at this, it will tell you, vidIQ will tell you that competition score for that is actually quite high, okay? And search volume is sort of a little bit low. So it just means that you have to start, continue looking. So it would be something like weight loss 4. All right, and then we type in something here at the start. So how to use weight loss for apple cider vinegar. So that's a real thing that people actually type in. But actually, if you guys look at it, you will see that if I search for how to use weight loss for apple cider vinegar, right? So this search term that it was suggested, even though it says vidIQ competition score 67, you will actually see that if I take this, okay, and look for this exact key phrase in the title of the videos here, the way that I do this is normally Control F and then press paste and start looking. None of these videos actually have this key phrase, okay? So even though it says it's pretty tough based on the videos that appear here, none of the videos has got that exact key phrase in the title. So this could be a potential for you guys to make a video, because none of the videos directly compete with that, because none of them actually have this exact phrase in the title, right? This one says apple cider vinegar detox to beat belly fat and so on. So this is an example of a keyword that's pretty much completely open. Now, the way that I came up with the keyword for my video, how to get traffic to your website, I was looking for various traffic related keywords and I went get traffic, then I typed in the space here and the top one that came up was how to get traffic to your website. When I checked it in vidIQ, I saw that the vidIQ competition score for it is just 20, okay? And the search volume is pretty good. And so I thought this actually looks like a really, really good potential keyword for me to go after, because I'll have some good results with a lot of my websites and I can show other people how to get traffic. So as you can see, my point basically with all of this is that you can definitely do it. You can find competition, low competition keywords in virtually any niche, even if you have a brand new channel. You just need to use the right tools, use vidIQ, use a little bit of your research skills, and you will be able to find low competition, excellent targeted phrases. Now, what you need to do after that is to create videos that are at least as good as the competition. So don't think that you have to create amazing videos that are just like top of the line. It helps obviously, but your videos just have to be as good as the competition videos. And at the end of the day, guys, half the videos that I put out don't do well, but I do get, maybe 10 or 20% of the videos that I make, they end up making hundreds and hundreds, and some are close to 1,000 daily views. So it's just about putting them out there and getting the traffic and driving the traffic to the affiliate links in your description. The other thing that you need to do is create compelling thumbnails. We sort of talked about it before, but I think the thing, just breaking down kind of my campaign, I think the thing that is probably helping me and what I always check first is the thumbnails on the front page of when I type in that search term into YouTube. What do the thumbnails look like and how do I make mine stand out? I saw that there are a lot of thumbnails that are quite white and blue, all right, and nothing kind of that when I looked at it, the green ones kind of stand out. But I wanted to make, and I think the one that also stands out is this one, because there is 1290 and something is circled, so it really draws your eye, and commands attention. But I went for a purple one with this one because it really stands out, and I think it helps with the click-through rate. And given everything else if everything else is equal, YouTube will actually give preference to videos with compelling thumbnails. You also, in my opinion, and I mean in my experience, it helps to write a 1,000 character description or so, addressing all of the tags that you target. So I'll show you an example. For this particular video, I entered all of these tags, right? And with vidIQ, it makes it very, very easy because vidIQ actually shows you the tags that all of the videos use. So you can just copy the tags that are relevant to your video from other videos that are ranking quite highly. And then I try to work in those tags into the description. So if you look at the description that I've written, you can do this in your own time, but I've actually put in these phrases, website traffic and how to get traffic to your blog, how to increase website traffic. I've worked them all into the description of the video here because this helps YouTube understand that your video is about these tags that you also added to your video. So it's, in my opinion, it's very important. I know that not everyone does it and a lot of people still end up doing well, but since this is a case study, I'm sort of just explaining to you guys how I do things. So that's it in terms of how you can actually find the keywords and how you can create the videos. And I've given you the full rundown. In terms of what you guys can do to actually make money is, let me show you what I've done here. So I recommend, without going too crazy and adding 20 different links or to different affiliate offers, I recommend putting your affiliate link into the description of your video. Generally 1 or 2 targeted links do well. What I also do is I always include a link to the opt-in page. All right, so this first link, if I click that actually takes others to join my email list. I'm getting a lot of subscribers every single day from YouTube. So it's a good idea to build your list, and you can also include affiliate links to the related products. If there is some kind of a relevant product that you mentioned, or even if you don't mention a product in the video, but you just think that this product would be a perfect complement to the video, then you can include the affiliate link in here. I also recommend for you guys to be careful and include the affiliate disclaimer. There are some FTC rules if you're in a country that has got some rules where you need to be compliant with FTC requirements. It's always good to put in an affiliate disclosure next to your affiliate link. Okay, so to make money from your videos, I recommend to put in the affiliate links, build an email list. In my example, you guys are obviously welcome to have a look at exactly how I do it on my videos. So that's pretty much it. It's really about just putting those videos out there. You don't need to make it overly complicated. It's free, right? You don't have to build a website. You don't have to even buy a domain. You can start doing YouTube pretty much today. It's a platform that's just really, really brilliant. You can make money from affiliate links. I haven't even talked about how much money I've made from YouTube ads with this video. I've made several $100s in YouTube ads as well. So, from that perspective, it's been really, really profitable as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you think that this kind of videos where I step you through exactly what I have done, with my other campaigns, with my videos, with my website traffic, with Pinterest traffic, if you think that this is useful and you would like to see more of these kind of videos, please do drop me a comment below this video so that I know that you want to get those kind of videos from me where I break down my exact campaigns, show you my exact stats and everything else. Because this is, like I said, it's a bit of an experiment. I don't know if these kind of videos will do well or not, whether you'd like to see those videos. If you would like to see more of these kind of videos, then please do drop me a comment below so that I know that I should make similar kind of content in the future. So thanks again. I hope you enjoyed it. All the best. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.